In this video, I will show you how to get the last working day of the month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the last working day of these dates in this column. To do that, I am going to use the EOMONTH and WORKDAY functions. The EOMONTH function returns the last day of the month for the specified date. This function takes two arguments, a valid date and a number of months. A positive value of the second number of months argument gives us a future date and a negative value gives us the past date. For example, this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the current month. This EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the next month, and this EOMONTH formula will return the last day of the previous month. The WORKDAY function returns the nearest working day in the past or future corresponding to the specified date. This function accepts three arguments: start date, number of days, and optional holidays. For example, this WORKDAY formula will return 4th December 2023 because the 2nd and 3rd December were Saturday and Sunday. So the first working day after the 1st December is 4th December 2023. Similarly, this WORKDAY formula will return 11th December 2023 because if we exclude two weekends, 11th December is the 6th working day after 1st December 2023. We can use these two functions in combination to get the last working day of the month. Here is the formula to do that. Here, the EOMONTH function returns the last day of the current month. For this date, it will be 31st January 2024. I added 1 to it to make it the first day of the next month, which is 1st February 2024. I have specified -1 as the second argument of the WORKDAY function to get the previous working day of the 1st February 2024. Since the date we supplied to the WORKDAY function is the first day of the next month, going back to the previous working day will give us the last working day of the current month. In this case, it will be 31st January 2024 and that is the last working day of this month. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the last working days of the month for all these dates. Sometimes we also need to take the holidays into account while calculating the last working day of the month. For example, let's say 31st January 2024 is a public holiday. In that case, the last working day for the month of January 2024 will be 30th and not the 31st. We also need to take that holiday into account while calculating the last working day. To take the holidays into account, we can create a list of holidays like this. Once we have the list of public holidays, we need to change the formula a little bit. We can pass the range of the cells containing the holidays as the third argument of the WORKDAY function like this. As you can see, we now have the 30th January 2024 as the last working day of the month instead of the 31st of January. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.